today I have a guest, Oliver.
Hi, I'm Oliver. I work in the UMD Engage office as an AmeriCorps VISTA. My title is the Community Engagement Specialist VISTA. And I'm here today to make some pizza with Cyndi.
Yay! And so today we're making, I've got a gluten-free crust that we're going to use. We've got vegetables. It's going to be a vegetable cheese pizza. Today I have cabbage and carrots, a little bit of sauce, and cheese. And I understand that you have a family history with pizza, right?
This is true. So my dad grew up in Stillwater, Minnesota. He worked as a teenager in a little pizza place. And so he took that pizza dough recipe, and we've been making that pizza dough just for my family's like Friday night pizza for the last like
awesome
20 years. So
yeah,
I'm a big
20 years.
Big pizza fan.
What's your favorite toppings for pizza?
I really like doing like some spinach and some goat cheese and some like with like olive oil and like some maybe spicy sausage maybe.
Oh, that segues nicely into something that I want to say.
Yeah.
And if you have a need to do something besides a tomato-based sauce, you could always just use like a good olive oil, right?
Yeah, I would sometimes, if I'm making a pizza without tomato sauce, I'll use just some olive oil and then maybe like some minced garlic or kind of whatever else like seasoning you want to add to the olive oil, but there's certainly some different things you can do there instead of the tomato sauce.
Basil leaves, the feta cheese, I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we begin?
Let's do it.
You want to have your oven heated to, I've got it set at 425.
Okay.
And we're just going to put, I'm going to engage you here.
Okay.
We're just going to put a little, this is my jug size olive oil, but just a little dab just so we can spread the dough out. Okay, I'm going to let you go for it.
Okay.
We're just going to want to spread it out. You can make it round, you can make it rectangular, however you want to do it. If you want, you could just throw some flour on your table and roll it out with a rolling pin. However you want to do it. Today, I just figured we'll just do it right on the pan.
Yeah.
Why not?
And one thing I'll do sometimes too is like pinch the, like with different pizza doughs, like kind of pinch up the edges like as you go around.
Yeah.
Just to give it a little bit of that like edge.
The little fluted edge.
But,
and then that'll help the sauce maybe stay on there a little better too. My lovely assistant.
Pizza is so much fun.
We're going to put this into a preheated 425 degree oven. And I don't know, we're going to start out with 10 minutes.
Yeah, that
and,
sounds good.
and then we'll check it and go accordingly.
There we go.
All right.
Now we wait.
Yeah.
Chili is really good when you have it with cinnamon rolls. And I like to make my cinnamon rolls with like, do a little pecan, like put some pecans in there, cinnamon, roll it up, and then make a big pot of chili, and then little plate of cinnamon roll, big bowl of chili.
Out here, I'm going to let you take it out and we'll see what we think here.
Ooh, pizza.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yes. Do it. Let me have this.
Oh, that didn't turn out too bad.
Cheers.
Toodles.